A day in the life of Cath Filipina na palamunin ng asawang afam.
Hani makiigol the ketchup. I can believe.
Soup.
Kain tayo mga gops. Meron akong toasty, meron akong rice, soup, sour salad. Are you finished? Acht keer 9.
8 keer 9 is 72.
6 keer 7.
42. Is here.
Mama, ga zitten.
Mga guaps, hello sa inyong lahat. Eric is fixing the LED lights, LED background, but he doesn't have LED lights yet. For the back of the television, Cinewall, and I want to. So remember mga guaps, I received a letter from the IND, from the immigration of the Netherlands, Naturalisatiedienst.
It's from the king.
Yeah, and yesterday I received another letter. And this one is the final decision from the king of the Netherlands.
Rejected.
So the letter that I received before, it was not yet the final. So this one is the finale. Charot. So this one is the decision of the king and the Netherlands. Because before we get the approval, we must also get the approval from the king, from the office of the king in the Netherlands.
Welke was van mij niet? De koffie?
This one. This account. Yeah. So I get here and they said here, the majesty of the king has positive decisions from your application for naturalisasi. So that means the king approved my application for Dutch citizenship, mga gaps.
Because your husband kept crying. My wife, I want her now.
But before, no. Stay Filipino.
Go home.
So, pero hindi pa ako ngayon. Hindi pa ako Dutch, mga guaps. I have to wait for the invitation from the gemeente here in Netherlands. Here in where I live, they will send me a letter to attend the ceremony. So, if I already done the ceremony, I will do like this. Dat verklaar en beloof ik. So, and they will give me the certificate. So, there, saka pa ako, official na Netherlander. not Dutch citizen.
Cannot get rid of you anymore.
So, for now, I'm not yet Dutch citizen. But, I have the positive reaction from the Majesty of the Netherlands. Hello? Why are you here?
Because I am here.
Ang kuan addict sa Roblox. Kanawa na yung look at your hair. Your hair is like a homeless girl.
Oké, wacht. Ik ga op de camera's kijken.
Oh my god, ang addict sa Roblox na adere sa kuan,
I'm
hagdanan.
playing the shawarma game.
She's playing the
with Mona.
Hello? That is horror. No? Excuse me?
Wat zei je?
Yung nasa sa hagdanan siya mga gwaps kasi mahina daw yung wifi. Dito sa niya, sa
Wij zijn
kwarto.
nog niet de employee of the
Kaloka.
month.
So ako mga gwaps, mag-install ako nito. So, ganito.
Ja.
Lagayan ng mga shoes. So, nag-order ako uli. So, i-install natin mga gwaps.
Ja. Ik opeens daar gezichten aan.
Bakit ka ba mahal Go! Lumayas kayo dito! Lumayas! Lumayas ka! Lumayas! So, yung buksan na natin. So, ganito siya mga gwaps. Need siya i-assemble. Tada! Ayan siya. So mga gwaps, may dinner sana kami ng mga ex-colleague ko mga gwaps, yung mga ex-coworker ko. Kaya lang, hindi kami matuloy kasi yung iba busy at saka hindi tugma yung schedule ba. So, ayun, kinancel na lang. So, dahil na-cancel yung dinner namin ng mga katrabaho ko, nag-decide si Bana na kami na lang tatlo yung mag-dinner. Mag-dinner date kaming tatlo. Si Bana, si Chloe, at saka ako. So, ayan. Na-feel bad siguro siya sa akin kasi hindi kami natuloy. So, yeah. Ayan, nagre-ready kami ni Chloe. Huh? Is it out? Natanggal na talaga ang kanyang kuko mga gwaps, oh. Oh, and is it painful? No? It's not painful? Diba? Ang tagal niyang worry siya kasi painful daw. Hindi, patingin nga. Ayan. Oh. Ay, nasira lang talaga. This is a kaput. Aling kaput. You need to cut that every time if it's long. Huh? Okay. Very good. Okay. Wear your socks na.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to the restaurant. It's our Family date. Sorry guys, nahulog kayo. We are here na mga gobs. Ayan yung restaurant. Vereld Restaurant. Ridderkerk. Here's look. Sushi. Oh, second dish. Oh, here's some sweets. Oh, looks lekker. Ja. Wil je dat?
Sanja.
Chocolate. Drinks. Yeah. It's chocolate. So ito yung namin first course. Si Chloe sushi sa kanya. It's chocolate.
Ik heb alleen maar dit. Wauw.
Black.
De Desisyon is zo. Ik heb nog iets voor jou.
Ja, ik wou dat.
Kijk ook.
Try.
Wel een hele.
Ze hebben het gezien. Second round mga gops. It's makkelijk. Second round. Third round. Pinipicturean niya yung papa niyo. Tawang-tawang iday pa diday oh. Oh, makiksin? Makiksin? Chloe. Lucu.